Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about reduction variable. So I will put about v equals to s minus y because they repeat about s minus y. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. So we have dy over dx. So I will put this one go to the left, this one go to the right. This one we change by v. This one we change by v. dy over dx we change by this one. Next, we divide both sides by v. So, number 1, I will put on the right. So we have 1 minus 1. You got number 0. So v I will put on the left. Dx I will put on the right. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. So the integration of this one, we have v squared over 2. This one we have s, and I will put about c. About v, that is about s minus y. This is the end. Thank you for watching.